Okay. Now we come to some close quarter for examination that we should plant and analyze book of history. First of all, ancient India, ancient history. We will start with history timeline and go till further. Timeline almost available and many persons are knowing. Moreover, I am giving it again. 7500 BC, civilization of Gulf of Kambat, and 2500 to 1500 BC, Indus Valley civilization. 2000 to 1500, Aryan arrives from Central Asia. 1500 to 1000, the early Vedic age, Rig Ved. The 1000 to 500 later Vedic period, Sam Ved, Yajur Ved, Athar Ved, Brahmanas, Aranyakas, Samhitas, early Upanishad and Sutras. 563 to 483, Gautam Buddha born at Lumbini, Nepal. Attainment of knowledge, Bodh Gaya, Bihar. First ceremony, Sarnath, near Varanasi, UP. Nirvan, Kushinagar, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. 540 to 468, Mahavir born at Kungram, near Vaisali, Bihar. And Nirvan at Pavapuri, Patna, Bihar. 492 to 460, rule of Ajatasattu, son of Bimbisar, king of Magad. 364 to 321, rule of Nandaj of Magad. 326, invasion of India by Alexander, battle of Hydaspes. 322 to 298, reign of Chandragupta Maurya, the founder of the Mauryan dynasty. 272 to 232, reign of Ashoka, son of Bindusar. 261 BC, Kaling war. 257 BC, Ashoka's coronation, Ashoka's conversion to Buddhism. 58, the Bikram Samvat, Bikram era, introduced by the king Vikramaditya of Ujjain. 20 to 46 AD, Gondophares, the king of Indo-Parthians. 78, accession of Kanishka, the Sak era begins. 100 to 300, the Sangam age in South India. 50 BC to 250 AD, Satavahan dynasty in Deccan. 320 to 335, reign of Chandragupta first. 335 to 380, reign of Samudragupta, known as Indian Napoleon. 380 to 414, reign of Chandragupta second, Vikramaditya. 405 to 411, the visit of Chinese pilgrimage Fayan to India. 500 to 527, rules of Huns over North India. 600 to 647, Hars Vardhan of Kannauj, when Sang visited India. 630 to 644 AD, during his reign. 500 to 757, first Chalukya dynasty of Vatapi. 630, Harsha's clash with Pulkesin, and he got the defeat from the Pulkesin. 973, 1100 to 1190, Chalukya dynasty of Kalyani. 760 to 1142, Pals of Eastern India. 985 to 1014, reigns of Radharaj the Great, started a great and land survey. AD 1000, 1014 to 1044, reign of Rajendra Chola, naval campaign against Sri Bijava by Upagupta. 250, third Buddhist council at Patliputra. 1906, invaded India kingdom. 788 to 820, Shankaracharya and his philosophy of Advait. 712, Arab occupies Sindh. 871 to 1173, Imperial Chola of Tanjore. 916 to 1203, construction of Khajuraho temple. This was the, I have divided it into 25 sections. First is this, and second is following.